2002 Xr80 won't start. Ran, I don't know, maybe a few years back. It has just been sitting. So what we're gonna do is try to get it started. Now I just drained the old gas out of the gas tank, and right there I have some VP gas, so I'll put that in afterwards. Got a spark plug. Compression seems right, but not sure. The tool should come tomorrow. Put the new spark plug in. We're gonna take the carburetor off and we're gonna clean that, reassemble everything, and put the new gas in it, try to start it up. So like I said, now I'm taking off the carburetor, so these are 10mm bolts. We're gonna go ahead and take those off, one on each side. So what I just realized as I'm taking this bolt off right there is, if you look right where that makes up, see if I can get the right angle on it. There we go. Yeah, so that could be a problem also, so we're gonna fix that too. Okay, so to take this off is simple, just 8mm. As you can see, there used to be a gasket on here some way or another. Someone either took this piece off and didn't replace it, or it deteriorated. I'm gonna go with the first one, but a simple gasket maker will fix that. So what you want to do is you want to take your razor and you want to clean this gasket up. You always want to get all the gasket up before you put anything else over top of it. Just keep doing that until all of it is up. Now we got that cleaned up. We're going to put some of this ultra black gasket maker on. We're not going to do a whole lot, but just enough so it could seal and have a proper vacuum. Alright, so that's what it's looking like with the gasket maker on there. I'm tightening down the connector and start cleaning out, tearing down the carb to clean that out. That should give this gasket maker time to set. Alright, with the carb off, the float, the bowl removed, if you can see, you could definitely see some trash is up in there. So it would be likely that it needs cleaning. There's some clogging up. So we're gonna do that and put it back together. Alright, carb cleaned up. Now we're gonna put her back on our intake boot and bolt her back up to the housing. What I just did was put a little bit WD-40 so it will slide a little better when you come up. A little trick you can use. Okay, one thing I came across and just wanted to put it out there was, like I said, the bike ran before, but the filter I noticed was upside down, and that kind of threw me off for a second. You can see that it says flow with the arrow. It may be hard to see, but so that might have been part of the problem also. Maybe it wasn't getting enough fuel. But that's just something to look at, something to check also. And as you can see, we have no more gap, but the cylinder meets the, I guess you would call that a tube, intake manifold. Now the carb on, put the tank back on. Missing some bolts, well, missing one bolt from that side, but now we're gonna hook this back up, fill it with the VP gas, the gas can right there, and see what she do. It's still gonna need an air filter. As you can tell, it's been sitting, it's just deteriorated. Clean that up, but yeah, we're getting there. All right, let's see what she do. Turn the key on. I had to mess with that a little bit too. Before anything, I want to see that fuel go down. There we go. Alright, so I didn't record the procedure. I was kicking and I had to retract. I put the carburetor the way that it was when I took it off, the screws and everything, but they was way out of whack, so it wouldn't start. But she's running now, so that's that. I don't know, I guess on to the next step. Bike's gonna need tires. A chain wouldn't be bad, but definitely need tires. I'll try to pump them up and see if it holds, but I don't think it's holding nothing, but gonna need the filter still. But we're gonna work on it and get everything fixed so the little kids and people that learning how to ride can ride, you know. Little Xr80. There she go. Like I said, the carburetor was adjusted. I'm gonna say not efficiently for where I'm at. So with the carburetor right now, the air fuel screw is 2 turns out, and the idle screw is, believe it or not, turned pretty much all the way in. So that's it. 2002 XR, 2003 Xr80R. The kids and everybody, I'm sure they would love it. Till next time.